Investigating gendered perceptions of career advancement barriers, unveiling challenges to female corporate leadership development. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This study investigates gender-based disparities in perceived barriers to female career advancement in corporate decision-making positions. Despite increasing women's workforce participation, their leadership representation remains low, partly due to differing perceptions of barriers by gender. The research involves 236 executives and utilizes social identity and homosocial theories. Employing a mixed methods approach with a one-way multivariate analysis of variance, ANOVA, and a qualitative convergent parallel design from voluntary survey respondents. The findings reveal that while both genders acknowledge corporate barriers, they interpret education, experience, and personal life barriers differently. Women often view these as interconnected with corporate challenges, reflecting broader systemic issues. The study highlights the complex interplay of social, political, and cultural factors that impact the career development process. For instance, societal expectations about women's roles in family care often conflict with the demands of high-level corporate positions. While cultural norms and stereotypes about leadership qualities continue to influence hiring and promotion decisions, the research also underscores the persistence of traditional male networks in corporations, which maintain existing leadership models and hinder change. This insight enhances our understanding of gender disparities in the workplace, particularly in Spanish-listed companies. Academically, it enriches gender studies and corporate leadership discourse by revealing the subtleties in barrier perception and their implications. Practically, this research suggests that recognizing and addressing these perceptual differences can lead to more effective interventions to promote gender equality in leadership positions, potentially reshaping organizational cultures and policies. This study urges a reevaluation of barrier perceptions and emphasizes the importance of inclusive strategies to bridge the gender gap in leadership. Considering the complex social, political, and cultural contexts that shape these perceptions, Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.